Hi everyone, it's Simon once again, and today I'm in Germany at the Legoland of Germany near Munich, and today I'm gonna show you guys something truly amazing. This is the Lego fabric shop, and it's the biggest pick-a-brick that I've ever seen so far, and you'll be amazed at what they have here. Now we enter inside and they have almost everything you can imagine. They have like bricks of all sizes, plates, bricks, and wow, I'm just amazed. Look, just look here, just to give an example. This is an entire section just about dark bluish and light bluish gray. So you have like, just look at this, brackets, plates 1x2, thousands of them, plates 2x2, these ones, jumpers 1x2, thousands of them. Wow, I'm just plates, and in here they have like even more. I'm just speechless. They have other bricks, but look here, they even have technique links to make tracks for the tanks in light bluish gray, in dark bluish gray, thousands of them, and technique bricks. It's like huge variety that they have here. I'm just phased completely. And now the most amazing thing, they have the tile section, is this entire section here, and look, tiles 1x1, tiles 1x2, 2x2, reddish. There's almost nothing in dark green, just a few parts. But look, they have a look here, tiles 1x1. I've never seen a pick-a-brick as big as this one. It never ends. The only drawback is this one. 100 grams, 10 euros. So for 1 kilo, it's 100 euros. So it's a bit expensive compared to other places, but you have everything here. And if you just try to buy just the tiles 1x1 here, you already save a lot of money here. And another thing that I'm amazed, for example, these tiles 1x1, they cost on average 50 cents on Bricklink, and in here you have like an entire bucket full of them. I'm just beyond amazed. So if you have big pockets and lots of money to spend, this is the place for you, because they have so much things to see. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you next time.
Wait a minute!
I'm now at home, and as you can see, I brought a complete bag full of plates, lots and lots of plates, 1x4, 1x6, and by 8, 12, very useful parts, but it wasn't enough. So I brought another one, and then another one, and yet another one, plus a small cup, a regular cup, from the brand new Lego store that opened at the city center in Munich. So around 4 kilograms of parts.